Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be putting to test the claimed best off-road cleaning supplies on the market. So I've got a couple videos out on something similar to this, but today we're going to be testing an all-new product called Advanced Kotings, or that's the company. They got a couple different things that I picked up from them. So we're going to be putting their cleaning supplies to the test, see what it's all about, and see how well they can clean the Pro XP. Obviously, I've already got it soaking wet, so the mud's soaking, and then we'll come in with the cleaning stuff and see how well we can get it clean. So they've got a list of products that we picked up. So we've got the Ultra Foam Wash, which is gonna be basically just your normal car soap. Obviously there's gonna be a little bit, they got kind of their special formula mixed in there, but that's just gonna be your typical soap. Then they've got a surface prep cleaner, and the surface prep cleaner is going to be something that you use after the machine's clean, and we'll take that, spray the machine down, and what it's gonna do, it's gonna get rid of any excess dirt, grime, and kind of oily stuff. So a lot of other products will leave like a greasy film. That surface prep is going to get rid of that. So then you can come in with their Nano Mud Guard, which is supposedly gonna help up to 50% of your clean time. So obviously it's not gonna help today, but the next time I go to wash it, hopefully it is a lot easier to clean. And then they have their plastic Shine and Protect. And that Shine and Protect comes in both a spray bottle and a aerosol can. So kind of like the SC1 that a lot of people use, or Slick Products has their own version. But the main difference with Advanced Kotings versus those products is they do not have silicone in them. All those other products have some type of silicone. And a lot of the issues with that, and I've ran into it also, is when you spray stuff, especially like the inside, if you do the windows, really anything with that silicone based product, what can happen is it's going to really attract dust. So Advanced Kotings claim that using their non-silicone based products, you're not going to have as bad of the dust kind of collecting the stuff. So we're going to let this keep soaking, maybe hit it one more time, and then we're going to go in with the soap, clean it up. We're going to use some of that surface prep, spray it down with the Nano Mud Guard, which is basically just going to go on the wheel wells on the front and back, just kind of the main areas where you get mud stuck a lot. And we'll finish it off with that Shine and Protect and see what she looks like. And then we'll probably have to do a follow-up in a week or two after we get another ride in, just to see how well it cleans up after we have all their products applied. But I have pretty high hopes. It seems like they've done their kind of homework and they've been around in the industry. They actually started as a short course racing team, and then they decided, hey, we spend so much time cleaning our trucks and side-by-sides, we need to come out with the best soap on the market to cut down on our clean time. So we're going to be putting that to the test today and let you guys know all about it. We got all of the mud pretty much off of it for the most part. It's looking a lot better than it was. So now we're going to go in with the surface prep, or the surface clean, and what you're supposed to do is apply it to the areas that you want, and then you're going to take a microfiber cloth. They actually sent me several, and you're just going to buff the area, get it clean, and then spray it off. And then we're going to go in with the mud guard and top it all off. And one thing I did forget to mention is you guys can use code Schmitty. You're going to get 5% off of all of the cleaning supplies, anything you want to get from their website. And a cool thing is I actually get a commission from that. It's small, I think it's like 5%. So it's nothing huge, but if you guys want to support the channel, that's an awesome way. If you're gonna be picking up these cleaning supplies anyway, go ahead, use that discount code. Helps me out, helps you guys out, and gets your razor looking clean. So we're gonna finish up with a couple of those other supplies, see how easy they are to apply, and fingers crossed, they work pretty good. So far, I'm liking the soap. It seems to have done its job. So we'll see what all the other stuff is and let you know my thoughts. Now it's time to come in here with the Nano Mud Guard. We're gonna basically apply it to all the real nasty areas that tend to always get the mud. So really just kind of up underneath the wheel wells, get it a good coating. Maybe toss some across the Polaris logo, because why not? Same thing back here in the back. And then once we get all this coated real good, we'll come back in with that microfiber and kind of do the same thing. Just wipe it down just a little bit. Got to get both sides. Kind of smells like orange juice. Wonder if you can drink it. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Do not drink it. Don't tell anybody I said to do that. Alrighty, we're gonna finish off with the Shine and Protect. So this is gonna just be a good outer coating, UV resistant, kind of clean up some of this stuff too that I missed, and should help with cleanup and the next go around. So again, if you guys want to check out any of this product, Advanced Kotings, and use code Schmitty, you're gonna get 5% off. You also help me out just a little bit, 5%, not much, but helps maybe with some gas, or maybe towards the end of the year when I got some bigger plans for the razor. You guys will know, but I haven't quite told you guys all about that, but stay tuned, because at the end of the year, we're going big. So thank you guys for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.